Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our what sold video. It's kind of turning into a weekly what sold video. I've just been so busy with life. So stuff still sells. Again, I haven't not listed in well over 3 months, probably coming up on 3.5 months. But as you can see on the screen, these are the sales from, what was that, July 20th through July 24th, yesterday. I did, 62 orders, almost $640 on my main store, and on the airplane cards, 7 orders for $53. So 69 orders, $690, something like that. We'll go ahead and, I'm not going to go over all 70 orders. I'll just pick out some of the better ones. First, we have Salem, Ohio, the W.H. Mullins Company Plant Porcelain Steel Cabinetry. So I'm not sure where I came up with that. Maybe information on the back, or maybe I looked it up and did a little bit of information of what they made. $10 on a best offer. Ellicott City, Maryland, the Enchanted Forest Teacup ride. This is a defunct amusement park right outside of Baltimore in Ellicott City, and $9.99. Same place. This is for, let me see, Willie the Whale, 3 Men in a Tub. So like one of those storybooks. They call it Enchanted Forest. It's, you know, fairyland, storybook forest type of thing. $9.99 for that one also. Same place. This is Hansel and Gretel house, and sold for $9.99. This is a little, I don't know, it's not really quite a cigarette card, more like a teeny little like ad card. Circa 1900 French Victorian trade card, Japanese Army warrant officer soldier. Had a whole bunch of these. Bought them for, I think, $1 each, maybe 50 cents each at one of my postcard club meetings. Sold like 15 to 20 of them probably a year or so ago, and this was the last one I had, so it sold for $9.99. Might be best offers, but I'm just going by what eBay shows me here. Taylor Bell Founders, Loughborough, sure, Queenstown Cathedral, Ireland. It's a real photo of this bell. $21.49, and it is heading back home. Nantasket Beach, Massachusetts, beach chairs, Atlantic House, 1920s. So there's that, $8.99. Large letter greetings, U.S. Naval Air Station, San Diego. This is a linen card, and it sold for $9.99. Next, United Airlines menu, Los Angeles chef, $6. Sometimes these do a much better job. They sell a little bit higher than $6. I can't remember exactly. Maybe it's the view on it or a certain location, but $6. I'll take it. Jackson, Tennessee, greetings, strawberry picking time, and that sold for $9.99. This is family and car, nothing slow for the likes, should be likes of us, or for the like of us. Is that good English? Artist signed Ellen Clapsaddle, $10.99. This is Songs of Ireland. Did you not hear of Kate Kearney? I guess that's Kate Kearney right there. Tux card, $6.99. Easter Fantasy Dressed Rabbits visiting Gnome Egg House, and that's sold for $17.99. I believe I got this at the DC Big Flea for $1 or $2. Texas Seymour, Baylor County Cotton Compress, 1918. There's a little damage right there. Actually, it's not in the best condition. Probably did pay 50 cents for that card. Sold it for $24.99. World War I American Soldiers Camouflaged Army Bus, France, real photo. Took a best offer of $23 on that. Got that from the widow of the postcard dealer. Weeki Florida, beautiful underwater mermaid, $7 best offer. I always look for these, 50 cents to $1 a card, and they always sell 7 to 10 bucks. And nothing's just gonna sit and spin today. I'm sure that's not a glitch with eBay. I'm sure eBay doesn't glitch anymore, right? Lebanon, Tennessee, Hunley Tourhotel Cafe Motel. Little Amerigas or whatever that is. I can't quite remember. Mobile gas. That's right, mobile gas. Little gas station. $9.99 for that one. This is a banner. It should be dual view banner greetings from Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Not sure if that is the official term, but that's what I call it because that's pretty much what they are. That's a banner going across, and there's two views. Those sell very well. $6.99. They're consistent sellers. Another one from Pine Bluff, Arkansas, went to the same dealer or same buyer. $6.99. I'll probably have a lot of, I don't know, 50 plus of these for the auction coming up on WhatNot for Tuesday. Slowly building the lots for Tuesday. General Steam Navigation Company, Greek Line SS New York Steamship, $25.99. I can't remember if this is continental size. Sold a couple ships. Oh, what's going on there? Yeah, that's continental size, 4x6, but still $25.99. West Virginia, Morgantown, view on Main Street, 1912 streetcar. Sold for $9.99. Next is Roaring Branch, Pennsylvania, Tioga County Tannery Plant, circa 1910s. Don't remember where I got it, but $27.49. Hovland, Minnesota, Tom Lake Real Photo, $14.99. This is Hamburg American Line, MS, what is that? Milwaukee Steamship. This and the other ship that sold came out of this big ship lot that I bought probably 2 years plus ago now. 70 cents each per card, and sold for $25.99. Now I gotta wonder, so everything's like jammed over to one side. Is that an eBay glitch? Another eBay glitch? Look at that. What is that about? That used to go the whole way across. I'm sure it's not eBay glitching. No, eBay's perfectly fine being held together by a band-aid and spit. $25.99. This is Lordsburg, New Mexico, Stratford Hotel, Shakespeare Ghost Town. So Shakespeare's the name of the town. Ghost Town in New Mexico. This one sold for $8.19. Same buyer bought this one. Grant House, Lordsburg Grant House, maybe Shakespeare. Yeah, Shakespeare's the town. Anyway, bought that one, and then they bought that one, Shakespeare, New Mexico. So a nice little sale of 3 postcards there. Covington, Georgia, Burt Adams Boy Scout Reservation Trading Post. Boy Scout stuff does very well, usually branded on the back. There's Boy Scouts of America. They usually have that little fleur-de-lis or whatever Boy Scouts use. $15 on a best offer. Sold a dental book. Dentistry book, A History of Dentistry in Colorado, 1859 to 1959. I hope I have this. It's been up for probably 7 to 8 years. $22.99 for that card. Georgia, Fairburn, Georgia, Neely Motel, what'd that say across the bottom? I would have put it in the 50s. 40s or 50s is what I would have said. $9.99. Sold a whole bunch of Georgia motels recently in WhatNot, and I think I have another box of majority of Tennessee and Georgia motels. Offer that up in the future. This is Disneyland Fantasyland, Anaheim, California. Pirates Cove, $6 on a best offer. Mercer, Pennsylvania, Hotel Reznor, 1906. Took a best offer of $15. Paid 80 cents for that card. And next we have Du Bois, Pennsylvania, Du Bois Avenue, Dirt Street View, 1909. And sold for $9.50. Let me see if there's anything on airplane postcards worth talking about. Not really. Sold one for $14.99. Most of them are going for $3 to $4. That's, I think, where all those airplane cards are going to finally end up, $3 or $4. But when you have a million of them that will be listed eventually, that'll do pretty well eventually. So let's talk about WhatNot. I have my hopefully curated lot. Maybe it'll be like half curated, half getting rid of boxes, bulk, on tomorrow, Tuesday at 8 o'clock. And then on August 13th and 14th, we have, it's going to be at least 20 to 24 ephemera and postcard sellers doing a Paperpalooza starting at, I think it's 10 or 11 in the morning on Saturday, and we'll have 10 to 12. I think Saturday we already have 12 dealers set up, and on Sunday we're starting to fill in the blanks there, but we'll have 20 to 24 postcard and ephemera dealers, so keep an eye out for that. Everybody's should be putting in Paperpalooza, so you'll see who they are, and we're working on getting a better consistent thumbnail, so everybody will have a show for 1 hour, and I hope you all come and check that out. So that's about it. Go check out WhatNot. If you've not been on WhatNot yet, go check it out. You can get some really good bulk postcard deals from the sellers on there. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a great day. Hope your eBay glitches are few and your sales are many. Okay, have a great day.